is to first differentiate. The derivative of that will be, let me differentiate the first, keep the second, plus, keep the first, differentiate the second, that will be cosine of x. If we set that to 0, we get e to the x sine x equals to negative e to the x cosine x. We know that e to the x is never 0. So we can actually cross that out. And that tells us that the negative of tangent of x is 1. That could only be possible when x is in the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant. That means it could be that's telling us that x could either be 3/4 pi or 7 pi over 4. So we see that between 0 and pi, we have a 0 here and a pi here. The only critical numbers that is between 0 and pi is this one here. So our table that we are interested in will just be this. So now all we have to do is fill in the y value for 0, 3 pi over 4, and pi. We know that if we substitute 3 pi over 4 for x, you get e to the 3 pi over 4 and radical 2 over 2. So it seems like the function is a maximum here and is a minimum on the two extremes. So I'm going to write that down. And y is a min at x equals to 0 or pi. The minimum value is 0.